Yeah, I told the girls don't even think about the final. We're going to worry about this game. Melbourne will be hurt from losing to the Reds. But and they're a good team. They've only lost their game by not much, so they'll fight till the end. So all we're going to think about is our processes this weekend, doing the right things, not trying to go out of our game plan, get the points on the board every time we get into the 22, hopefully, and then come out with a win, and then we'll worry about the semi and who we play in Suva later. I think it's just more just a win. We don't want to worry about bonus points and all that. We've got to win and win well because going into the finals, all the other teams are up here. We're slowly getting up to that level, like in New South Wales, who set the example. So we've got to win and try and win well. Use it as a rehearsal going into the finals because it'll either be the Brumbies or the Force, I think, we play in that semi. So if we finish top two, so it's a good situation to be in, like where we are placed. But we don't want to worry about bonus points. That we just want to win and win well and go into the semis with confidence. Well, it'll be awesome. It'll be awesome especially there's been no games in the Suva, and the men playing over in Suva too. So I think they've been dying to see a match. They had three Lotoka games, so I think it's Suva turn. So hopefully they turn out in numbers and support the girls in the game before the men's.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, what's in the box? See.
It's so new and fresh.
Looks better, eh?
This is everything I could have ever wanted.
What you looking at? Oh, you're gonna have to find out.